Hey everybody, it's Kerry. Welcome back. I'm so glad you're here. Today we have an awesome video. We are going to be talking about a tool that all of us need as small business owners. And if you're not a small business owner, you still need this tool, and I'm going to tell you why in just a minute. But what I love about this particular tool is it's not just one tool. It is a multi-purpose, multi-use tool that you will find, my gosh, there are so many different ways that you can use this. And today we're going to be talking about the Munbyn Printer. I want to thank Munbyn for sponsoring today's video. Thank you so much. Listen, Black Friday's coming up. Do not sleep on these deals. They're going to be having some really awesome Black Friday sales. So I'm going to tell you about the one printer I have, though I have to stress, start shopping, stop building your cart, because there are so many different printers and many different colors, many different styles that you can put together for yourself or for the small business owner in your life. They need this tool. Let's get into it. Today, you guys, it is not just a printer. It's a printer, but it also has a lot of bells and whistles to help you elevate your small business. As small business owners, we are competing with these big box stores, brick and mortar stores, the Amazon of the world, and we are just not them. And so what I love about this, and we'll get into all of the examples, what I love about the Munbyn Printer is we can personalize every step of the way. So not just your packing slips, which this prints, as well as your shipping label. I started using it when I launched my winter collection, and let me tell you, this little printer is a workhorse. So let's get into some specifics really quickly, and then I'm going to show you all the fun ways that I love to use this printer. How stinking cute is this? So this is the printer I have. It is a purple and pink duotone, but you can choose whatever color combination you want. They do have basic black, basic white, but if you really want to express yourself or match your brand colors for your business, you can select from a myriad of different color combinations. And it came with these sort of like a unicorn, but more like pinky, purple, blue stickers. So the printer that I'm showing you here today that I have, this is the P130, Be Like Boy. I'll link it down below if you want this one specifically. Remember, you can choose whatever color combination that you want. Here's why this is so clutch. It has this label holder right here, which is pretty clutch. You can use this for any different style of sticker that you want, and there are so many sticker styles. Or you can also put your shipping labels on it. So these go here. But if you don't have the roll and you just have, let me just get this out. If you don't have the roll and you just have like the flats, you can leave this behind the printer. You can still feed it in like this, and it'll pull them just fine. So I like that it's universal in that way. What would be great is that if they had like a large size, like a bigger table that maybe had the two different roll holders, that would be dope. Then you could have them both sort of around. Anyway, I'm going to show you how I made this cute little sticker right here. This is my logo, which is now on all of our candle jars. And then you can come up with any saying that you want. They even have templates. So if you're not sure and you're like struggling to design something that is like put on a sticker, you guys, they have over 1,000 different templates to choose from. Takes the guesswork out of it. You can even go into the search. I'm going to insert some footage right here. So what you can do is you can go into the app, which is available on Android and iOS. So they got us all covered, baby. So what you can do is just go into one of their templates. You want to select the size of the sticker that you have. For me, these are 2-inch squared, so that's a 50 by 50 millimeter. You can print happy birthday, thank you, happy Valentine's Day, which is clutch because you're not trying to buy a bunch of out-of-the-box pre-made stickers and then, oh gosh, now I'm stuck with like 1,000 stickers. And, you know, maybe you won't use those, but maybe it might take 2 years to use those. you can just click on the template and print the number that you need. So if you don't need 1,000, you can just print out what you need. And what I really like too is like they are covering everything from candles to soaps, birthday, which is amazing, just sales stickers in general. Thank you for supporting my business. This one I think is so stinking cute. I hope this made you smile. So you're not going to be at a loss for ideas, and what I like about this too is it sparks more creativity. Like, ooh, seeing that reminded me I want to do XYZ. And if you're doing custom orders or wholesale orders, it's another way to sort of level up that customer experience. So when they open their box, receive their package, whatever that may be, you've got these special touches here. And so not just with stickers, which are great, thank you, put all the stickers in, I'm going to show you how you can print barcodes as well. So aside from a sticker, if you need something for, like, if you have a store, congratulations, amazing, Jess, I'm looking at you. You can do a barcode and, you know, start tagging your products with those barcodes. Immediately, of course, I thought, well, my pantry, I can start, because I label everything in my pantry. I'm that organized queen, what can I say? The other, I think, must have that this printer does is a QR code. I recently rolled out using QR codes with all of my candle products because I don't have a label on the front of the jar. So if somebody wants to reorder, they can flip the jar over, and on the warning label, I have a QR code for them to scan. It'll take them to the site. So, all right, let's get into playing with this. It's incredible. I need to show you all of the things. Again, I just want to stress that this is a small but mighty printing machine that's going to help elevate your business and really allow you to control all of those custom elements that'll elevate that customer experience when they open up a package from you. I'm going to show you how I created these little stickers. So cute. As you can see, you can add an icon, you can upload something from your phone, you can change the text, you can change the font, you can change if you want it bold, if you want to add emojis. So here I'm just adding my company logo here. It's inspired by the pineapple, which is the universal symbol for hospitality. I just want to show you, this thing prints so lickety split fast. Holy smokes, check this out right here. Wow. Because this is not using ink, and there is my logo right there, it's so fantastic. Then here is the Burn Bright and Cozy that we just made. So I'm going to show you how to use the sticker feature to print out a QR code. So what I'm going to do is I don't have a transparent image of this, so it is going to look a little strange, but I just want to show you because it works so well. Let me show you. So we're going to go ahead and print this. So fast. Oh my gosh. QR code. I'm going to take my phone. Trying to not shake the camera. When I do it, you can see open in Chrome. And it takes us right to the signature sent. I'm sorry if that looks terrible. I'm trying so hard. All right, Jill, let's talk about the Munbyn printing labels. You guys, these are incredibly waterproof, like highly waterproof, which when you're shipping across the country, like I'm kind of in the middle of the country, so I ship everywhere in the US, and depending upon the weather, certainly for this fall season, it has been rainy as all get out. It's been rainy and windy, which if you get rain on your packing, on your packages, on your shipping labels, and then you have a ton of wind whipping around, it can damage the ink. But because, and we're not using any ink, and we have high quality labels, I'm going to print a packing slip. So I want to show you how it works. And this may work for you, it may not, but I just want to show you. Let me load the paper in. And what's great about this too is it auto adjusts to make sure that it's perfectly lined up. It's so cute, right? Little personality. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna print our packing slip. Go ahead and get that going. Here's the only con that I have is it doesn't print in color. It's lightning fast. It's gonna spit this out really quickly. So I'm gonna tell you when I hit print, it's gonna be like, whoosh. Because it doesn't print in color, all of my packing slips have a picture of the product on it, so it just kind of looks like a black box. I don't use it for that, but I do use it when I'm packing smaller envelopes with smaller items in it, so like some of my body care products. And I turn off the photo because it's a lot more seamless. I think it's a nicer customer experience when they open up the padded envelope if they're not getting a big box. So I do like to use my printer for that reason when it comes to large packages. So here we go. I'm going to hit print, and this thing's going to go immediately. Wow. So you can see here that it's just a black box. I don't love that, but again, when I'm shipping smaller packages like the padded envelopes that I use, this size is perfect because it slips in really nicely. All right, y'all, I told you that their labels are highly waterproof. I'm a woman of my word. I'm going to show you. I've got my packing slip. It's raining. It's raining bad. Look at that. Look at that. It didn't smudge or anything. The label is barely damp, but you can see, I mean, I got a ton of water on there. I just wanted to show you. That's pretty amazing right there. Oh no, something got crinkled on it. Oh, it's still there. It's still working. I just wanted to show you. That's very compelling, right? So check it out. This Black Friday, they're having a huge Black Friday sale. If you like this printer, I'll link it down below. I also have a link to a new one that they've just released. I think it's going to be $60 off. I mean, it's a steal. I will link that down below. Anything that I share in this video, as you can see, if I have not used it and like it myself, I will absolutely not encourage you or refer you to use it as a small business owner. Everything that I have linked down below, it is an affiliate link. If you make a purchase through those links, you help support me and this channel so I can continue to create free content for you, and hopefully it's helpful, educational. So leave a comment down below. Let me know, are you going to grab a printer? Treat yourself. Black Friday is not just for us trying to get people to buy and enjoy our products, but we also have to take a moment to think about us and taking care of number one so that we can work efficiently and continue to find ways to level up that bar for our customers and their customer experience. So definitely like this video if you enjoyed it. All right, if you all found this helpful and you want to keep hanging out and you want some more small business tips, check out this playlist right here that I have curated just for you. Thank you again to Munbyn. I appreciate you. And for those of you watching that are always here showing up for me, with me, I appreciate you so much. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.